I haven't seen lightning like this in a long time. This is ridiculous. It's been lightning like this for like the past couple of hours now. Come on. Let me get one good thing on camera. Yeah, that was awesome. I got it on camera. Ah, come on, more. Bring it more. Bring it more. One more. Get the biggest one you could possibly have. There's LA over there. Oh my gosh. If I get struck by lightning, this would be epic. And I'm filming it for you. For all of... Wow! I would want to go outside for the life of me. I am not... Oh my gosh. Look at that, start a car alarm. What? That's our next door neighbor. Ah, that's so crazy. I can't believe I got this on camera. That's so cool. Ah, this is history in the making by getting this type of lightning. LA has never had this lightning, ever. 1.21 gigawatts of electricity. Great Scott. Oh, come on. Is that the best you got? I want more. Where's a DeLorean time machine when you need one? Seriously. Wow. You can smell it. You can like literally Oh man. Dude, something's burning around here. That ain't good. Well, it ain't the computer, that's for sure. But there's definitely a fire going on somewhere. Holding computer. Yeah, that's my computer, and I'm playing with my keyboard. And, oh my. Now the fire trucks are coming out. This is so awesome. Ain't no way I am working 12 hours in this rain. Unless if I have to. Oh my gosh. What you're all witnessing right now, this is the first time that Los Angeles has ever received weather conditions ever like this. In no way I am not riding my bike outside today. Oh jeez. You can literally smell the lightning. Like an hour ago, there was one that actually sounded like a dang gun. Or like a laser, or like something. I don't know, that was just weird. That scared the crap out of me. And I'm home by myself. Oh jeez. No more. I mean, it's nice that we have rain and all, because we haven't seen rain in like for a while now. Literally. Aw, this is gonna be epic. I hope you guys are enjoying this because, you know, this is just too much. Man, is that it? I knew I should have took out my camera. I would have got some great footage. Well, it's starting to rain hard now. Sorry, my hair is like a mess. I haven't even got ready for my day yet, but this rain is ridiculous. This is scaring me, literally. Yeah, I don't know what to think of right now. No way I am working in this weather. Not gonna happen. Look at that, you can literally smell. I'm serious, there's probably a fire happening somewhere. Well, welcome to LA, you guys. This is crazy. That's no more. No more. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Where's Rainbow Dash when you need her? When she can just like literally blow the clouds away. Oh man. Well, speaking of Rainbow Dash, I am a big fan of My Little Pony. Friendship is Magic. And if you haven't seen that yet, I suggest that you should go check it out because it is awesome and I love it. Oh, there's another one. No, we're not talking about the Generation 1 ponies. We're talking about the Generation 3 ponies because, well, you know, if you haven't seen the older My Little Pony, no. I'm talking about the newer one. So, yeah. But I love that one because it is awesome. Awesome as this, as the weather shall continue. This is crazy. Oh man, this is gonna, you know, be big once I upload it. Palm tree. Like the only, there's a few palm trees over there. I swear I smell something burning. Is it me? Or whoa, Nelly. The gods hate us. No, they don't. That was random. Stop it. Stop it. This is madness. Wow. Either they're having fun bowling up there or they're just like, I don't know. It's just raining constantly now. I'm afraid to turn my camera off because what if I miss a lot of good footage? Like, video-wise, or this is not vlogging. This is just, you know, pure one taker. Oh, there we go. Well, you can consider this a vlog. Even though my vlogs are out of commission due to that computer you just saw. It's getting louder. Why? Oh man. And today is... What's the day today? Yesterday was 10/10/2012. Today is 10/11. Or today is the 11th of October. Dude, if it rains like this on October, so much for Halloween, or trick-or-treating, you know? Seriously? This is probably one of the worst rainstorms we've had. Look at over there, though. That's funny, because it's clear over there and it's raining over here. Ah! Ah! At least I get to experience this by myself. And my girlfriend is probably having the time of her life with her family right now. Did I mention that I have a girlfriend now? Mm-hmm. I'll talk about that later once I make another video update on what's the plans that's going to happen for next year. Alright? It's going to be awesome and a new life change. Ooh. But I'm not going to tell you her name yet. Until once we meet with each other. Looks like it's hailing outside. I can't even tell. Oh yeah, all the fire trucks are coming right now. Ah, boy. Whoa! That's, wow. That lightning just hit that house down there. Holy crap. I mean, moly. Ah. Ah, do not strike me when I'm vlogging, please. I hope I don't get struck by lightning. This would suck. Big time. That lightning was brilliant. What if it comes down over here and hits this window while I'm filming? Ah,